Hi there, students. Bedraggled. Okay, bedraggled is an adjective meaning wet, messy, dirty, covered in mud and water. So imagine you've been walking in the countryside in the pouring rain without an umbrella. You're going to look bedraggled. We use this word bedraggled especially to talk about somebody's hair or their clothes, but you can use it to talk about a general appearance. Okay, if something is bedraggled, it looks like it's been dragged through mud and water. It's been dragged along the ground. In fact, there is also a verb to draggle, but this is a very uncommon verb, meaning to trail something through mud or water. So maybe in the olden days when there were no gutters at the edge of streets, if a lady walked down the streets, the end of her skirt dragged along the ground, and it got very dirty. Okay, so notice to drag, to pull something along the ground. But this word bedraggled, we still use it, to look bedraggled. There was a group of bedraggled fans standing outside the theatre in the pouring rain. Okay, so they're wet, they look damp and dirty, their clothes are sopping wet. Bedraggled, unkempt. Let's see. There was a bedraggled house standing on its own on the hill. Let's see, I get the idea here, bedraggled gives the idea of a dilapidated appearance, not looked after. Okay? So, bedraggled, wet and dirty, particularly with mud. So, what about formality? Well, I would say this word sounds very literary. I'd probably give it maybe a 6 out of 10 in formality. You might use it in an informal conversation, but it sounds a little bit posh, but I guess you could use it, wet and dirty informally. I think it would sound very good in a descriptive essay when you were describing how somebody looked when they came in from the rain. Okay? Bedraggled, wet, dirty, covered in mud. He went riding his horse in the rain and then he fell off and he came home looking incredibly bedraggled. So the origin, draggle, to drag through the mud, and draggle is a diminutive of drag, and be thoroughly, so completely dragged through the mud, and that's the idea, bedraggled. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bedraggled.